Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to edit your document in Docusign. Alright, editing your document is simple and easy. The first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome page and then we would sign up for Docusign. If you do not already have an account, simply click on the first link that appears on your screen and it will take you to the next page. This is where you get to sign up on Docusign if you do not have an account as earlier stated. So you have to just click on this content box here and then ensure that you input your email address and then get started. Another way you can sign up is to go to the top right corner over here and click on try for free and it will sign you up after you follow the due process. All right, if you already have an account on Docusign, just simply log into your account and it will navigate you to the dashboard. This is your Docusign dashboard. Editing documents in Docusign depends on when you want to send your document. You can only fully edit your document before you send it to the recipient. Once the envelope has been sent out, only minor changes can be made to ensure that you have all your editing properly done before sending out your document. To do this, the first thing you want to do is click on the Start button and it will navigate you to the next page where you can edit your document. Once you've done that, you go to your upload icon over here, click on it, and then you see this drop down menu that will show you a list of options which you can use to add your document, upload the document to Docusign. So I'll just go to my desktop and pick the particular document I want to work with and it is uploaded. Once that is done, I can now fully edit my document to ensure that all the proper information I want on it appears. So I'll just click on these three dotted lines by the side of my document. You can see it's showing more option. Click on that and then you can see different information or options stated out here for you to click on and properly edit your document. On this document, I can decide to apply template. I can decide to replace this document from this one to another one. I can decide to rename my document, delete or view documents. I can also decide to add views to this particular document before sending it out. After doing the necessary things or corrections and changes I need to do from this particular place, I can now decide to click on next and my document is ready to be sent out. So this is a very short and simple way you can edit your document on Docusign. I hope this video was self-explanatory for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.